hands. You get it. And turn your leg. Oh, we don't like to go that way. Okay. We'll go this way then. Go this way then. Ow. Don't be so stubborn. Don't be so stubborn. Don't be so stubborn. What are you doing? Oh, got you. Oh, are you going to eat my fingers? Nom, 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 nom. 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 Oh, quit doing that. I'm supposed to be distracting you. You're okay. You're okay.
You kind of stink.
I don't know if I'm going to cry or if I'm going to laugh. Get inside. Big. Big. Oh, the second I touch his leg.
He knows. He knows.
Got it. Oh, no, you straightened it. Well, then let's go this way. Hey, you're okay. So you did really well at first, but now you figured it out. You don't want to do it anymore. Now you figured it out.
Come on, son.
Ready? Let's just get it a couple more times. Get it. Get that. I'm just turning your hands. Just turning your hands. Oh, there we go. That wasn't so bad. Now you pull your leg out. You do it. There you go.
Yay!
Say yay!
Good job, son. See, that wasn't so bad.
It's a lot easier when you don't lock your leg. I think that second time we got it was his best because he actually kind of did some of it. The other times he's so busy fighting it.